Welcome back to Minnie's story time. It is early morning. The sun is coming up. Minnie is at home. She is waking up now.
Good morning. It's a new day. Today will be busy but fun. First, I need to wash my face. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Now I feel fresh. Now, breakfast. I eat bread and drink warm tea. I like simple breakfast. Today I need fresh milk, fresh bread, and fruits for the cafe. And I want flowers too. Okay, let's go to the market. I'm at the morning market. I need fresh milk, fresh bread, and fruit for my cafe.
Good morning. What would you like?
Good morning. Can I have some strawberries, please?
How many do you want?
1 kilogram, please. How much is it?
That will be $5, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Anything else?
No, that's all for today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. I want flowers for my cafe today. Hello, do you have sunflowers?
Yes, fresh sunflowers today.
Great, I'll take 2, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. My cafe will look so happy with these flowers.
Minnie finishes shopping and walks through the park.
The park is so beautiful in the morning. The air is fresh. The birds are singing. It feels nice to take a break from the cafe. My cafe is busy every morning. But today I can relax a little. I have time to think. I have time to plan new drinks and new ideas. Hello. Oh, Jenny. Are you at the cafe?
Hi, Minnie. Yes, I'm here. Everything is okay. Many customers today.
Great. I'm coming back soon. I have fresh milk and bread.
Okay, see you soon.
Minnie walks back to her cafe with her bags full of food and flowers.
Today is a busy morning, but a happy morning. Good food, good coffee, good customers, and now time to work. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.